When most people think about trading stocks, they imagine million-dollar brokers trading shares of major corporations like Amazon and Tesla. But trading like a pro doesn't necessarily require millions of dollars of free capital in your brokerage account. They also look for a few penny stocks to buy now that offer both variety and diversity. Everyone wants to know how to find the best penny stocks, but those same people are often not committed to the intensive research that's required. Take a look at these top 10 best penny stocks to buy now. Number 10. Lucky Block. The first thing to note is that Lucky Block is not actually a penny stock. It is a cryptocurrency with exceptional growth potential due to its inventive use cases. Due to this, the coin can be a great addition to your equity portfolio to boost its level of diversification. Put simply, Lucky Block is a crypto gaming platform hosted on the Binance Smart Chain, or BSC, that leverages blockchain technology to provide a fairer and more transparent gaming experience. This experience is facilitated by using L-Block, Lucky Block's native token. As highlighted in Lucky Block's white paper, L-Block holders will also receive a recurring revenue stream simply for holding the token, with an estimated yield of over 19% per year. These factors helped the price of L-Block surge by over 3,000% when it listed on PancakeSwap earlier this year, hitting an all-time high of about 9.6 cents. However, since then, L-Block's value has dropped to 0.195 cents at the time of writing, around 5 times lower than February's highs. Number 9. DeFi Coin. Another excellent asset to consider if you're looking for huge returns potential is DeFi Coin. Much like Lucky Block above, DeFi Coin isn't actually a stock. Instead, it is a decentralized finance or DeFi token native to the brand new DeFi Swap exchange. Within this exchange, users can swap, stake, and farm in a completely decentralized manner. DEFC plays a vital role in the DeFi Swap ecosystem, so its value is closely tied to the exchange's growth. After some development delays, DeFi Swap finally went live in early May, which was met with triple-digit returns for DEFC holders. The development team behind DeFi Coin have implemented an innovative transaction tax of 10% on buy and sell orders, which incentivizes investors to hold long-term. A total of 5% of the accumulated tax amount is distributed back to DEFC holders via regular income payments. Another significant aspect of the DeFi Coin project is that the development team have burned all of their coins. This highlights that the team isn't interested in making a quick buck and is instead focused on the project's longevity. Number 8. Inpixen. From its HQ in Palo Alto, Inpixen provides location-based services and big data analytics to a worldwide client base. It provides a variety of sensor products which allow clients to optimize indoor spaces with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The firm has a market capitalization of almost $37 million, with 220 employees under the leadership of CEO Nadir Ali. Inpixen is a stock that has seen hard times over the last year. In 12 months, the price has fallen by almost 80% from over $1.20 to its current level of 0.24 cents. Number 7. Gevo Inc. Based in Englewood, Colorado, Gevo is at the forefront of the green movement. The firm produces clean alternatives to gasoline and diesel, with particular success in supplying energy-dense liquid hydrocarbons to the aviation industry. Despite its price falling drastically over the course of 2021 from almost $15 to less than $5, this is a company on the up. Since February 2nd, 2022, when the Gevo price was $2.93, the stock has risen 60% in just 2 months to arrive at its current price of $4.71. Gevo has plenty of competitors, but it also boasts an expanding client base. Number 6. Nano Dimension Limited. Based in Israel, Nano Dimensions is a 3D printing specialist that provides software and hardware to speed up electronics manufacturing. The company specifically targets the prototyping phase of traditional production timelines using deep learning AI. A single Nano Dimension share is currently priced at $3.27. Since its meteoric rise early last year to hit $15.54, the share price has fallen a long way to its present level. This is a common issue with high-tech companies coming to market. What has not helped the price are the acquisitions of Global Inkjet Systems and Semtech in the last 12 months. Number 5. Sunworks Inc. Based out of Roseville, California, Sunworks is involved in the booming solar power sector. The firm sells photovoltaic systems to local companies in the industrial and agricultural sectors. Sunworks employs over 500 staff and has a market capitalization of $66.5 million. This is a high ratio of stack to market cap and suggests that a restructure might be one of many ways to improve company profitability. Total Sunworks revenues increased by over 150% between 2020 and 2021, from $37.9 million to $101 million. But this had no impact on the stock price, which has endured a steady decline since its January 2021 high of over $25. Since the third week of February 2022, the price has hovered above the $2 mark, bouncing sharply from a low of $1.72 on March 24th. The current price for one Sunworks share is $2.24. Number 4. Globalstar. Founded in 2003 and based out of Covington, Louisiana, Globalstar is a U.S. satellite communications company. The firm has a network of satellites and ground stations that serves roughly 775,000 subscribers across a range of sectors, including energy, forestry, and public safety. Unusually for a penny stock, Globalstar has a significant market capitalization of $2.5 billion. It has a reasonable price-to-earnings ratio of 11.5. Quarterly revenues increased by almost 6% in Q4 of 2021 to $34.48, and net income increased by 22%. Recording, though, net income deficits of over $100 million in 2020 and 21, Globalstar is clearly in some trouble. Number 3. Zynerba Pharmaceuticals Inc. Headquartered in Pennsylvania, Zynerba is a specialist cannabis-related company. The firm exclusively serves the U.S. healthcare sector. Zynerba tackles rare diseases through developing formulations that are applied to a patient's skin and provide pain relief. For example, Zynerba has developed an experimental treatment called Zygel, which is a patent-protected gel containing pain-relieving cannabinoids. Number 2. Tilray Brands Inc. Founded in 2013, Tilray Brands is headquartered in Nanaimo, Canada. Unlike fellow cannabinoid provider Zynerba, the firm produces and exports medical cannabis as well as cannabis foods and beverages for general consumption. Tilray Brands was the first licensed producer of medical cannabis in the world to gain certification in line with European Medicine Agency standards. Number 1. Battle Infinity. Topping our list of the best penny stocks to buy is Battle Infinity. The first thing to note is that Battle Infinity is a cryptocurrency-based project, not a penny stock. However, this project makes our list as it can offer many of the same opportunities as penny stocks can, mainly in terms of speculative potential. Put simply, Battle Infinity is a crypto gaming platform made up of several play-to-earn features. These features allow users to earn rewards through skilled gameplay, denominated in IBAT, Battle Infinity's native BEP20 token. Since this token can be swapped for other tokens, successful users can generate a consistent income stream through Battle Infinity. Battle Infinity is one of the best new crypto coins since users can become part of a rich virtual world filled with exciting opportunities. These include an innovative fantasy sports league game mode made possible by the use of NFTs. Users can trade these NFTs and benefit from value increases since Battle Infinity even has a built-in NFT marketplace. Which one is your most favorite stock? Thanks for watching.